Okay.
Ready? 6.
That is good, good, good. You jumping with Brooke?
Yes.
No, not too bad. Not too bad.
I'm taking a little break and swimming.
Swim down there and show Paul how you swim. There's one. Brooke, you can have mine.
Oh, it's straight for me, right?
Oh, you don't need one. You have your vest on.
Alright. Thank you. Bye.
Show Paul how you swim. You want that noodle?
Don't forget, kick, kick, kick.
Kick, 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 kick.
Kick, Shane.
Beat her, Shane. Go faster.
You got to kick. Kick, kick, kick.
I want to jump.
Kick, 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 Shane. That's a good boy.
Jump again, honey.
He likes to jump too.
You like jumping? You don't like it when your noodle hits the wall, do you? Does that drag you down?
No.
No?
I don't like it when my noodle hits the wall.
Come on, say let's jump.
Want to jump again? All right. Just jump.
Jump on Sophia.
There you go.
Come on, say. Are you coming?
Put your toes. Oh, there's one of those bugs.
Ah! Ah!
Okay. Put your toes right on the edge.
My hand. Not ready yet. Not ready.
Ready.
1,